Good evening, Connor family. I'm going to demonstrate to you Elliot's lesson tonight. I'd like to would like you folks to reinforce this information at home to progress him faster. So Elliot is going to be learning 8-note rhythms, and that is taking a quarter note and dividing it into 2 parts. I've given him his homework on the page that he's going to open to at home. I want him to practice that, and I want to show you that way you can help guide him at home. So a quarter note, we know gets 1 beat. Now what an 8-note does is it takes that into 2 parts. Okay? So this would be 1 and. All right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a demonstration of how he's going to be doing this at home. Okay, so let's say we're working in 3/4 time. Okay? That's 3 beats per measure. You're going to have something like this. It's going to look similar to this on his page. Okay, so how we read this first, the whole number always goes first, okay? So this would be considered 1, and because it's an 8-note, this would be and. The second note would be 2, and then of course the whole note is 3, but it's an 8-note, so it's and. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and then of course because it's 3/4 time, we would go on to the next measure. Let's take another one example. We have 2/4 time. 2/4 time, it's the same principle. It's just going to be a shorter duration of notes. Okay, so here is our first set of 8 notes. 1 and 2. And of course, because it's a 2/4 time signature, our bar measure goes there and it goes into the next set of notes. These 8 notes, this rhythm sounds like this. 1 and 2. So you're going to see that the page that he has is going to be a variety of time signatures. What I would like him to do is go through each one. The purpose of this assignment is to get the reinforcement of him playing 8 notes thoroughly. And then next week we're going to look at a song that's going to really engage those. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be sending out emails this week for meeting times as we get closer to our recital in December. God bless you folks, and thank you for the opportunity to work with Elliot. He's a good kid.